Hi, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share what is going to happen with the Aries people in the year 2025. 2025 is a year of transformation and the growth for the Aries people. It seems like that you are going to get a lot of new opportunities in your career. Your love life will also move positively. This year is a year of success, hope, and the good movement. But few things that you need to take care of in this year is that remove all the negative thoughts from your mind. Whatever the fears you have to remove it, and you have to trust the universe. Surrender yourself to the universe in the year 2025 and you will see lot of positive changes in the year 2025. Only the few things that you need to follow, which I'm going to explain in brief in this particular video. If you have subscribed my channel, then thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. You are the quick thinker and the smart planner. So this particular quality of yours will help you a lot in the year 2025. It has been noticed that Aries people always plan things before it happens. So this particular quality, this year you have to plan things before it happens. So this is a year, the day when you have watched this video, start writing down your goals. What are the goals of your life? Against it, you have to write down the action plan also. What is the action plan to achieve those goals? So in this way, if you are going to plan your year 2025, you will see that you are going to get the great success in the year 2025 and things will start moving positively in the year 2025 career wise. It seems like in the career you are going to get a lot of new opportunities, but you should also be open to receive the love and the opportunities. You should grab that opportunities, because this is a year where you will be going to see that you are going to nurture your relationship also with the care. You will be see more balance in your relationship, as well as you will be going to get a lot of new opportunities, lot of responsibilities on you. So things will start moving positively. So you have to just stick to your quality, that is a hardworking and a very positive mindset. People, you already have a lot of energies, being you are ruled by the planet Mars. So this year it has been noticed that you have to channelize your energies in the right direction. Do keep away from the distraction, prioritize your own self, prioritize self-analysis and stick to your goals. Whatever the goals you have decided that these are the goals of my 2025, whatsoever small or minor distractions come in the year 2025, try to manage well with your positive mindset and stick to your goals. Try to avoid all the distraction and stick to your goals, because as very less time this type of positive time come in person's life. So try not to waste this time in prioritizing something which is not valuable. So this time you have to make sure that you are channelizing your energies in the right direction and be away from any type of distraction and prioritize your work, prioritize your career and just stick to your goals. This year is all about staying focused on the big goals. This will be going to bring success for you. So this is a year where you have to balance your personal and the professional life, because it seems like that you are going to get a lot of new opportunities, finances wise, creativity wise, as well as ideas wise. So this is a good year. You can't take any type of risk related to your business or related to your career, because this is a good year, golden period for you career wise. Things that you need to take care of is that you have to balance well your personal life and the professional life, because there you may face a problem in balancing your personal and the professional. Second half of the year seems like a very busy year for you. You will be going to do a multiple task in your job, in your career, in your business, and you are going to get the multiple opportunities to whom you are going to work on. Along with that, you have to nurture your family also. You have to take care of your family also, due to which the balance will be missing in your life, and that may give you the mental stress also. So it is suggested that in the second half of the year you should take care of your mental health, do mindful exercise, try to connect to the universe, try to do meditation, try to do yoga, surrender yourself to the universe, so that you will be able to manage your stress, manage your work easily in the second half. As the year ends, you will see that you are going to spend some quality time with your family members. You are going to cherish some memory with your family members. Things will be started improving in your family life, and you are going to make a very positive connection with your family life at the end of the year. So this seems like a positive time for you family wise, and to create a connection with your family. Financial growth in the second half of the year, it seems like that you are going to get sudden money. The money can come from any type of inheritance property or inheritance money you can get, or any type of investment which you have done, that may be the lucky investment. Or if you are into a job, you are looking for a job change, then you may change the job. There you are going to get the financial growth. Or in the internal organization also, if you are already working in an organization and you are expecting a promotion, then there is a high possibility you will be promoted. So this is a golden period for you finances wise. You are going to get the sudden money, but make sure when you are getting the sudden money in the second half of the year, so try to utilize that money in the right direction. Try to pay off your loans, pay off your debts, focus on the savings, and try to reinvest so that your future will be secure. Opportunities in the year 2025 will push Aries people to come out of the comfort zone. It can be the new job, starting a new business, or a new leadership role. Here, your determination and focused nature will help you a lot. This is a year where you should meet to multiple people, make new connection, because if you are going to make new connections in the year 2025, you are going to get new opportunities from there, and the new doors will be open. People, love and relationship wise, it is a great year. If you are single and you are looking for a partner, then this is a great year. There is a high possibility you end up attracting the right partner. If you are already in the relationship, then the communication and sharing your feelings will matter a lot, and you will see that your love relationship will move towards a marriage. And this year there is a high possibility your relationship will be going to convert into the marriage. This is a positive year relationship wise, with few things that you need to take care of. Then try to work on your fickling mind, try to focus and try to express your feelings with a loved one. But otherwise it seems like a great year for you, love and relationship. And well-being, Aries people, you need to take care of your health in the year 2025. Anyhow, your ruling planet is Mars and you are physically fit. Still this year, don't take your health for granted. Try to work on your mental health. If you face any type of health issue in this particular year, consult to the doctor and don't take your health for granted. Try to do exercise, eat healthy food, avoid junk food, and do exercise. Exercise is must for you. Try to do yoga, meditation, or simply walking will also help you. If you have any, and try to manage your stress, and the best way of managing your stress is that surrender yourself to the God. And the best way of surrendering yourself to the God is that write down all the stress you have, write down all the negative thoughts which you have, and burn the same in the fire. It will help you out to remove the stress from your mind. Or try to express your feelings to someone near to you. If you don't have someone who listens to you, then you can go out in the universe and shout it really hard and tell your problems to the God. It will help you to release your health. It will help you to release your pain. And health wise, you need to take care, because health wise things are not looking so great. People, this is a year of transformation for you. So try to stick to your goals. And this is a year where your dreams are going to convert into the reality. Few things that you need to take care of, that you have to take care of your mental health. Stick to your goals, because this is a year where your relative friends will admire you. They will appreciate you, because this is not a simple year for you. This is actually a great year for you. Very few times planets are aligned in such a way. So this is a year, go ahead, work on yourself, do hard work, be positive. This is a great year for the achievement, and this is overall a transformation year for you. To enhance your luck and to overcome the challenges in the year 2025, you should chant Shiv. You have to put a timer for 12 minutes in the morning. When you wake up, you have to put a timer for 12 minutes. Close your eyes and chant Shiv, 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 Shiv. Same way you have to do it before you sleep. You have to put a timer for 12 minutes and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. It will help you a lot. Along with that, what you have to do, you have to write Shiv 108 times with a red color pen in your notebook throughout the year. It will help you a lot and will give you a lot of success. If you find this video helpful, then share this video with your loved one, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the icon button.